revolución tecnológica nos va a exigir abrir nuestras mentes porque lo va a cambiar todo, qué marco de valores nos queremos dar como sociedad, tiene que venir de un debate en torno a cómo nos queremos educar, cómo queremos aprender.
Education is the basis of everything. How we train the next generation is the key to the future.
Que es necesaria una transformación radical, sobre todo del qué se aprende, del cómo se aprende, pero sobre todo del para qué se aprende.
The students have changed, the schools are new buildings, but the curriculum is 100 years old.
La innovación es clave en el futuro de la educación.
We have to build into our society, I think, an increased awareness of the value of learning new things.
Whatever role or field you're in, your job is going to change.
In education and skills, we need to scale up and to reach out much more people. And I think technology is going to be a great ally to do this.
If I had to pick between an amazing teacher in person versus the most amazing technology, I would pick the amazing teacher every time, because you're not going to be able to replace that human connection.
I don't think there's a more important conversation to have at the moment than the future of education of our children.